Good morning, students. So today we are going to start next topic of the same chapter, that is chapter 3, food and health. Before moving further, let's recall some points which we discussed in our last video. So you will try to write the answers of these questions in your notebook. First question is, what are nutrients? So here you will write the definition of nutrients. Second, what are the different types of nutrients? So in this question you will write the names of 5 types of nutrients. Third question is, how we have divided the nutrients into different group. So you have seen that we have divided the nutrients into 3 categories. You have to write what was the criteria of dividing the nutrients into different group. So here are the answers. The materials present in the food that are needed by our body for good health and growth are called nutrients. The 5 main types of nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. And third question, we have divided the nutrients into 3 groups on the basis of their function. So this was discussed in the last video. So in today's video we are going to discuss about types of nutrients. So first type of nutrient is energy giving nutrients. The nutrients that gives us energy are called energy giving nutrients, and these includes carbohydrates and fats. आप अपनी डेली लाइफ में, आपको पता है हमें कितने सारे वर्क करने होते हैं. वी हैव टू प्ले, वी हैव टू डू आवर होमवर्क, वी हैव टू डू डिफरेंट डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज़, एंड फॉर डूइंग दोज एक्टिविटीज़ आवर बॉडी नीड्स एनर्जी. And from where does that energy comes? From the food, and mainly from the energy giving nutrients which are present in our food. तो जो भी हमें एनर्जी मिलती है वो हमें कहाँ से मिलती है? दैट इज गिवन बाय द कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स and fats present in our food. Fats give us more energy than carbohydrates. Fats carbohydrates के कंपैरिजन में हमें ज़्यादा एनर्जी देती है, and also fat keeps our body warm. Now let's see what are the food items which provides us carbohydrates and fats. So if we talk about carbohydrates, rice, corn, bread, sweet potato and banana, these are the few sources which have plenty of carbohydrates in it. And fats are found in ghee, cheese, dry fruits, butter, and oils. So these are the food which are rich in carbohydrates, and these are the food which are rich in fats. Next type of nutrient is body building nutrients. So these nutrients help in the growth and repair of our body. ऐसे न्यूट्रिएंट जो हमारी बॉडी की ग्रोथ में हेल्प करते हैं, दैट आर नोन एज बॉडी बिल्डिंग न्यूट्रिएंट्स. एंड what is the nutrient which comes into this category? That is proteins. So proteins क्या करते हैं? If we take the food which is rich in protein, it will help in our growth of our body. And the food items which are rich in proteins are milk, chicken, pulses, eggs, nuts. So these are the food items which are rich in proteins. Next are protective nutrients. So as per their names, protective means किस चीज़ से हमें हमारी रक्षा करना, हमें बचा कर रखना. So protective nutrients क्या करते हैं? These nutrients helps our body to fight against disease. ये nutrients हमारी body को different disease से protect कर कर रखते हैं. That's why they are known as protective nutrients. The vitamins A, B, C, D, E, and K, and minerals like iron, calcium, iodine. These are known as protective nutrients. And we include vegetables and fruit in our body. The vegetables, fruits, these all are rich in vitamins and minerals. So these were protective nutrients. Besides these nutrients, our body also needs roughage and water. So fiber giving components are known as roughage. Roughage helps the body to get rid of undigested food. Means जो भी हमारी body में undigested food है which is not required by our body, roughage helps in the removal of undigested food from our body without any difficulty. So you all know that we include salad in our diet. So salad is a rich source of roughage which makes the removal of undigested food smooth. Next component is water. It is essential for our body to function properly. It helps in the digestion of food. It also helps in removing waste from the body in the form of urine and sweat. Our body needs 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. So we should drink near about 8 to 10 glass of water every day to keep our body hydrated. So these were the different components of our food which should be present in our diet so that we can be fit and stay healthy. Thank you so much.